Slurry primer. What is a slurry primer? What is jointed slurry primer? If you're laying any kind of natural stone, porcelain or concrete flags, if you're laying them on a concrete base, whether it'll be a permeable or a non-permeable base, we highly recommend that there's a slurry primer used on that patio or driveway to stop any movement. Even though it's laid on concrete, the paving will still move over time if there's no slurry primer there. We are contacted at least 6 times a week by end users, homeowners, where they've paving laid for a few years and a small little bit of the jointing material will start to crack out. When we do a site visit, we learn very quickly that there was no primer used on that job, and yes, there has been a little bit of movement. Huge price to pay to go back to lift that driveway or patio and relay it and use a slurry primer. The bag of the jointed slurry primer here will cover 18 square meters for one bag. It's a small price to pay at the start of your job. There's a lot of very, very good contractors out there. We see their work on a daily basis online there, and they are using slurry primers and they're having great success. So well done, guys. The jointed slurry primer comes in a waterproof bucket, or it comes in a paper bag. As a merchant again, or as a contractor, you can have a think about which one that you'd like to buy. We have a range of products that's very compatible to the job that you are on, and we are more than only happy to help you to specify what product you want for what job. If you have any questions, please come back to us. It's info@jointit.com.